Today I'm going to be sharing you my bedroom DIY. It's my first, so join us as we do the process. I'll go ahead and start painting. I will be needing this. It's extendable, so it's easy for me to paint. I am going to be using this Dulux Pure White. It's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon and I managed to apply the first coat all over the walls and ceiling, and it's actually dry now, so I'm ready to apply the second coat. It's day 2 of redecorating our space, and yesterday I applied 2 coats of paint all over the walls and the ceiling. The plan is to paint the cupboards and the door to white. These handles will be spray painted with black, and the radiator will be transformed to white. I'm going to be using this to spray paint the doorknobs. I'm ready to paint the radiator now, and I'm going to be using this. Although it's for cupboards and cabinets, but it says the Metalworks, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay. This is now day 3 of redecorating our bedroom, and so far everything is okay. For now, I'm just waiting for the new bed, the curtains, and the frames that I ordered, and hopefully once it's arrived, I can decorate the space. If you remember yesterday, this was silver, then I spray painted with black, and it looks so much better. My plan today is to declutter this wardrobe. I have so many clothes that I haven't used in a very long time, so that needs to go. I need to create more space and just clean and reorganize everything. So it's a big plan, however, I can do this. This is the current situation. That's from Lance, and the 2 black bags are from Daddy's, and it's all going to the charity. Now this is mine. Oops. Right. We need to clear the space. Let's do the time lapse. Okay, so these are my clothes, and there's no space. I don't know how to organize this. Almost there, but for now I'm going to sort out my accessories, scarves onto this new basket from Argos. These are the wicker baskets that I'm going to be using for all this. Excuse me. Looks so much better rather than the one from Argos, so I think I'm gonna swap it. I go ahead and transferred all my swimming suits onto this new basket. and it looks so much better. Now I have more space, so I'm going to put my working out clothes on top. Gonna get rid of this. For this other basket, I'm going to put all my winter accessories like thermal socks. We have some gloves, bonnet, scarves, more thermal socks, more bonnets, and loads. This one we used when I went to Finland, like that. This one I used when I went to Iceland. This I wear when I went to Finland. We're meant to be going to Jordan this coming October. However, we have to cancel that due to the pandemic. We have all these scarves ready for the trip. Beautiful colors made in the Philippines. Fully loaded. Gonna put it there. I'm still not done with what I'm doing here. However, I'd like to switch my attention into these chested drawers. My Kuya Australia sunglasses. This I wore in Iceland. This one in Amsterdam, Dubrovnik, somewhere in the lavender field, Positano, and this one in the Philippines. And chocolate here. I'm going to use this box to store my earrings because it's flat and wide. To continue tidying up my cupboard, I need to buy 6 more baskets from Amazon so I can organize my clothes. These are the wicker baskets. I have 2 large, 2 medium, and 2 small over here. It's the largest ones, and this is also from Amazon. So actually the color matches with this. So in here are my scarves, over here are my bonnets and gloves. So today we are going to dismantle this bed because we have a new bed coming this afternoon from Furniture Land. Also this curtain here, this needs to be changed from the one we put in IKEA. And then lastly, we're going to rearrange the rest of the furnitures here in our bedroom. Now is the time to clear this bedroom, and I'm going to do the time lapse. This bed is going. I did clean all the windows, and now it's time to hang the curtain. The curtain is hung, however, it's very long. So I decided to just cut and just sew it by hand. This is the new bed. There's the Moodle images. We are about to assemble the bed. This is the headboard. Right, this is the foot part. needs installing. We have 1, 2, 3. Do you want my help? This pendant light is very long. I mean, it's huge. It's big.
Big and long. So this is really suitable for high ceiling. And you can have it as a drop light because it's got this long
Wire.
If
you're buying like this from IKEA, bear in mind it's not the easiest to install. I managed to attach that, however, there's a gap at the top. It's 9 o'clock in the evening and I decided to paint this part of my cupboard. That one there. Doesn't look good. It would have been finished, but hey, let's do the painting. Here's my cupboard now. It looks so much clean and tidy. Right at the top are my shoes. Next are my holiday clothes, my hats and winter tops. Here's my dresses, my bags, summer clothes, my uniforms and pajamas, headbands, shorts and trousers. Onto the wicker baskets are my scarves and winter accessories. And right at the bottom are my bathing suits and working out clothes. These are my earrings for holidays. This is my side of the bed. I love this Pick 4 from IKEA. It's a soft. And here's where I put my computer, iPad, mini pads. And here's my chargers, monopad, hair dryer, hair straightener. Finally done with our bedroom DIY and I'm so happy with the result. First of all, the bed is from Oakland Furniture, the rug is from Marrakesh, our lights is from Cappadocia. The portrait here is from Dorset and Doldor. The pom-pom grass is from Amazon. This light, not the easiest to attach, is from IKEA. We have these 3 prints from Designer. We have this flake eucalyptus leaves and this is from Laridot. That's our picture when we got married. And just a little tray from Amazon. And look, it's very much tidy and that's all my sunglasses. These are my makeup, that's mine for nail care and this is for my hair. So it's all properly packed in a bag. Over this side, these are my cameras. The door stopper. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! We're currently here in Old Harry-Rock together with my friends. It's Saturday today and yeah, we're having a picnic here.